Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Payoneer. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's click on this, and after that, I'm going to open the Google Chrome. And now we need to write the Payoneer here. So as you can see, I've written the Payoneer, and now you have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, the Payoneer website is open. Now simply what you have to do, you have to click on the open your account, and after that, you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's now going to ask you some options like please select the option that describes you the best. But now what you have to do, you have to select the option which describes you best. For example, I'm going to select this one, like the freelancer or online professional. So let's click on this. And after that, I'm looking to pay friendly and family and order a prepaid card. I'm going to select this one, like the get paid by international clients or freelance marketplace. You have to click on this. And after that, I'm going to select, for example, this one. Let's click on this. And now we have to click on the register option. So let's click on the register. So as you can see now, what we need to do, simply we have to select the account. Like that, I'm going to select the individual, and after selecting the individual, what you need to do, you have to write the first name, last name, email address, and your email address again, and after that you have to provide your date of birth. I can't create the account because I have already created my Pioneer account. Then simply you have to click on the next button, and after that you have to click on the contact detail. It will ask you contact details like the bank account number and all the things, and after that you have to ask for the security details. You have to provide the security questions options, and almost then you have to click on this. It will take 1 or 2 days in verifying. After the completion of verification process, your account will be created. So in this way you can create account on Pioneer. You just have to follow these steps, and after this your account will be created. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.